How to manage pop download on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so today's video I'm going to show you how to manage pop download option on Gmail PC easy and fast. First thing, go to the top here, click on settings, click on see all settings option, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Click here on forwarding and pop, click on it, and here you go. Here you will find pop download option, and as you can see from here you can enable it and manage it as you want. Very easy and fast. You can manage anything you want, configure your email client when messages are accessed with pop, and after you finish, click save changes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.